Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making spaghetti sauce in the old pressure cooker. So this is going to be super quick, delicious. It's going to seal all those flavors in when you cook them under pressure. So let me show you what I've got going on. I had a bunch of tomatoes, some Roma tomatoes and just regular tomatoes that I had, and they were about to go bad. So I thought, what can I do with them? And I thought, spaghetti sauce, pressure cooker. So what I did is I took the skins off. How I did that was I just brought some water up to a boil. I put the tomatoes in, and once you see the skin kind of split, you take it out and the skin comes right off. So I didn't want to bore you with that, but if you want me to make a video on how to do that, I'd be happy to do that. And if you want me to, just put a comment down below. So I've got these already peeled and I just cut the ends off. I'm just going to cut them like in half and throw them in the pressure cooker. I already sauteed a half an onion and 2 cloves of garlic in just a water saute, and I put that in here. This pressure cooker does not have a saute feature, which after today will not be a problem because I ordered an Instapot, which has that feature. So, and also this is an 8-quart and I wanted a 6-quart, a smaller one, because this one's really big. So I'm just gonna throw all my tomatoes in here. So I'm gonna continue with that. These bigger ones I'm going to quarter. To the tomatoes, I'm going to add 1 stalk of celery and a half a carrot that I just chopped. Doesn't matter what size you use, because at the end we're going to use an immersion blender, and so it doesn't really matter. I've got 1 red pepper that I chopped up. This was also going to go bad, so I thought that sounds good in there. And I've got about a 1/4 cup of tomato paste. And about 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning. And a little bit of veggie broth. You don't want to use a lot because the tomatoes are going to give off their own juice. Then you want to add in some crushed red pepper to your own taste. And then we're just going to cook this on manual for about 15 minutes, and then when that's done, we're just going to use the immersion blender. I'm going to add some flat leaf parsley, and that is it. So I'll see you back in about 15. Okay, we're all done with the pressure cooker part. Now I'm going to use my immersion blender, and before I do that, I'm going to add about a teaspoon of salt and some pepper. Okay, this is going to be really loud, so I'll come back when we're done blending. So the very last thing I'm going to do is add in some flat leaf parsley. Stir that in. And I've got my gluten-free spaghetti here. So let's put some on my noodles. Oh, that's beautiful. Love it. Look at that. Delish. All right. All right. Just gonna put a little bit more parsley on there. All right, let's give it a taste. All right, let's give this a try. Of course, you could add some vegan parmesan cheese if you'd like. Seriously, doesn't want to go on the fork. God, that is a really, really tasty sauce. Just cooking under pressure like that just locks in all the flavors. So good and so quick. You don't have to cook your tomatoes, for 3-4 hours. It's done in minutes. So give this one a try. It's good for you, it's good for the animals, and it's good for the planet, and what you put on your plate determines your fate. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. Until next time, thank you.